Hello there, Megan.
Say hi.
Show your wings. No. Oh, look, it's candy corn.
Oh, don't hit me. Fairies don't hit.
That works good. Okay, Timmy's first. He's ready. You take his picture, Daddy. Where'd the camera go? Squeeze it right from there. Just let it fill up. Nice.
Oh, you can take pictures on that too?
Whoa, scary boy.
My turn.
You need more blood.
You dropped
More
half of it.
Oh!
I dropped all of the blood.
You dropped it.
Some of it
It's
fell
on the
out. I'm
thing.
sure.
I would have worked way better.
Where'd the camera go?
Daddy.
Do you have the camera? Okay, Timmy, stay there. Go back. I'm going to take a picture.
Matt, put your mask on.
But not yet. Oh, yeah.
I'm
Nice, Timmy. You don't even have to smile.
the heat miser.
One more time.
It's not cooking the thing.
Excellent. That looks good.
Hey, hey, Venom.
Okay, Venom's turn.
Venom, show me a
Well, you know what?
kick. No, give me a karate chop.
Okay.
Let me see you spin a web.
You know what? Guess what, Timmy? Take the mask
Climb
off.
climb the wall. That's not very good.
Matt, this is how you come to wall.
Put it inside. You're going to wait 5 minutes before you go trick-or-treating. Get out. Okay, Matt, turn around.
Oh, there you go, Matt. Climb up there.
Matt, stay right there, Matt. Stay right there.
Record Megan.
Go straight. Stay right there.
Here, I'll record you.
Here. Excuse me, Timmy. Let Matt stand there right here. Just stand right here.
I'm
Straighten out your...
the
Yeah.
heat miser.
Right there.
Say it louder.
I'm the heat miser.
Louder.
Okay, right there.
Louder. Say, I'm the heat miser. Yell it. Say, I'm the heat miser.